in America.
Good afternoon, or German brothers and sisters. So thank you so much. So I appreciate the all speakers, Manila Kondra, Manila Aloga, Bhikkhu Indoli Andy, and Saleh Josnat, and Miss Manis. So very nice to mention many important points. So very, very important. Because I was a Pannasara spoke about that, or different origination. So this is a very important topic. We have to understand, deeply understand different origination. Now I remember one of the Bali words. Today I went to Bangalore with my friends, Alogat and Konrad. Today we talked much for a bit. I remember one of Bali words. So my young friend is Sansara Vajja Dukkha Mosna Chaya. So this Bali words, I think it's about this Bali words. So Sansara Vajja Dukkha Mosna Chaya. Sansara means Vajja Dukkha, Dukkha means suffering. Sansara is very suffering. Because of we were born again in the samsara. We will get the body and mind in the samsara. We will get the body and mind again in the samsara. This is all suffering. But we didn't know how to feel suffering because of visa. So this is study. So we attend one of the conference in the morning in India philosopher with Professor Devan. He also mentioned about many philosopher, his opinion. Was with Paticcasamuppada, Karma, 5 khandhas. So at the time, I'm very interested about the samsara. He also mentioned about the samsara from his philosopher. So I answered 2 questions from the professor. I didn't meet Miss White, his answer. So my question is the first question I asked the question. So what is the reason to be reborn in the samsara? I asked one question from the professor. He's talking about many things. I didn't meet Miss White. This is important. What is the reason to be reborn in the samsara? So this is this question is the memo is with the Bisya Singara. Because of this line we did the many gamma. Especially in between 3 kinds of gamma. Punyami Singara, Abunyami Singara, and Nizami Singara. We do the 3 kinds of Singara. We were able in the samsara. Punyami Singara means Kusara Karma. Kamosa Kusara Karma. Abunyami Singara means Akusara Karma. If we do the Akusara Karma or Abunyami Singara, you will reborn in the lower state, especially the poor reborns, poor preschool. If you do the Kusala Karmas or Punyami Singara, you will reborn the higher state, the higher existence, especially Dewat and human and Dhamma. 12 kinds of Dhamma. You will reborn again. If we do the Apunyami Singara, you will reborn the Arupa Dhamma. This is the 3 kinds of Singara. In the present life, you did the 3 kinds of Singara, you will reborn in the samsara, 31 sort of plants. This Singara means the 31 plants. So why do we do Singara? Because of the Visa. We didn't how to break how to educate the samsara, how to do the liberation of the samsara. So this is now I'm listening to my speaker talking about the visa influence. You know it's a bit more city agendas, the three kinds of rules: love, greed, hatred, dosa, influence, movement. Love opposite is there, alova. Alova means the non-greed. Against the daughter opposite means there, adota means the non-hatred. Now the last one is there, amoha. Amoha means the ignorance. Amoha opposite is there, amoha means the inner wisdom. So we need to understand the two kinds of wisdom: proportional truth and ultimate truth. If we understand the ultimate truth, we can eradicate the samsara. So, Pinya means the two kinds of, where do you know the two kinds of? Wisdom, the proportional truth and ultimate truth. So this life, we got body and mind. Why? Because of the Uja Pisa Singara. We did in the first life. We can see the number one. This is the first life. We did the Uja Pisa Singara. In the first life, we did the three kinds of Singara. That's why we got body and mind in the present life. In the present life, we did gain the three kinds of Singara. We are able to gain in the samsara. This is the wisdom. In the present life, so we deeply understand the Four Noble Truths and how we deeply practice the insight meditation, especially the Usara meditation. We can eradicate the samsara going to the Nibbana. So this is our goal is how to break through the lens. So we have to deeply understand the Four Noble Truths and therefore the Four Noble Paths. Eventually we have to deeply practice insight meditation to focus our body and mind, to sphere rises and passes. Every time our body and mind passes and rises and passes, but we didn't know because of wisdom. Every time, every second, our body and mind rising and passes. We do know there every time because of wisdom. So we had to forget to deeply practice the insight meditation to lead it to the Nibbana. So thank you so much, all Dhamma brothers and sisters.
Thank you. Let me summarize for today our discussion.